Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. In this module, we are going to learn about the term business risk and its causes. Risk is the uncertainty associated with an exposure to loss. It is caused by some unfavorable or undesirable events. The risks are related with certain factors like changes in consumer taste and fashions, changes in methods of production, strike or lockout in the workplace, increased competition in the market, fire, theft, accidents, natural calamities, etc. No business can altogether do away with risk. The important types of risk are speculative risk and pure risk. Speculative risk means risking loss to make a profit, possibility of seeing a loss, no change, or actually making profit. Examples of speculative risk are buying new machinery and construction of new building. Next is pure risk. Pure risk means the possibility of loss to a business without any possibility of gain. Example, economic risk, natural risk, human risk, and other risks. Now we are going to learn about the important causes of business risk. Business risk arise due to a variety of causes which are classified as follows. First one, natural causes. Second one, human causes. Third one, economic causes. And last one, other causes. First cause is economic causes. These causes includes uncertainties relating to demand for goods, competition, price, collection of dues from customers, change of technology or method of production, etc. Financial problems like rise in interest rate for borrowings, levy of higher taxes, etc. also come under these type of tax causes as they result in higher unexpected cost of operation of business. First economic risk is competition. More business that would compete with your business open in the area. Second one, changing consumer lifestyle. Lifestyle of the consumers in your area change due to the new industry, opening or closing, new businesses like etc. Third one, population changes. Fourth one, limited usefulness of products. And fifth one is inflation. Sixth point is product obsolescence. Product you offer to the public is not longer needed or out of date. These are the important economic causes of business risk. Next cause is natural causes. Human beings have little control over natural calamities like flood, earthquake, lightning, heavy rains, etc. These result in heavy loss of life, property, and incomes in business. Third cause is human causes. Human causes includes such unexpected events like dishonesty, carelessness, or negligence of employees, stoppage of work due to power failure, strikes, management inefficiency, computer crime, robbery, employee theft, etc. Last one is other causes. These are the unforeseen events like political disturbances, mechanical failures such as bursting of boiler, fluctuations in exchange rates, etc., which lead to the possibility of business risk. Business risk are the risk arises due to uncertainties. Business risk is an essential part of every business. The degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. Profit is the reward for the risk taking. These are the important points involved in the nature of business risk. No risk, no gain is an age-old principle which applies to all type of business. Greater the risk involved in a business, higher is the chance of profit. An entrepreneur undertakes risk under the expectation of higher profit. Profit thus reward for the risk taking. Thank you.